Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at what we think is the best lollipop stand holder for party, the Treela 2 PC's Cake Pop Stand. Whether you're organizing a wedding, baby shower, birthday, or a festive holiday party, this cake pop display stand might just be the elegant and practical touch you need. Let's dive into what makes this stand so popular. The Treela Cake Pop Stand comes in a set of two, made from quality wood with a clean white finish. Each stand measures approximately 15.7 inches in height and 5.9 inches in both length and width. That rectangular shape not only makes it visually appealing, but also makes it easy to place on any dessert table without overcrowding the space. Each stand features 60 neatly spaced holes. What's impressive is how they've designed it. The spacing between each hole ensures that your candies or cake pops don't collide with one another. That's a thoughtful touch, especially for those who've experienced lollipops bumping into each other and getting smudged. This also helps with hygiene and visual appeal, especially in events where presentation matters. The stands themselves are made of sturdy wood, not flimsy plastic or acrylic. That means durability isn't a concern. These stands won't tip over easily even when fully loaded. And yes, they're totally reusable, which makes them a smart investment for anyone who hosts parties or events frequently. Assembly is also incredibly simple. It comes with a screw to assemble setup. You don't need any special tools. Just twist the screws in and you're done. Disassembly is just as easy, which makes these stands portable. If you're planning to take them to a venue or set up for an event elsewhere, that portability really helps. The minimalist white color blends well with virtually any party theme, whether you're going pastel for a baby shower, spooky for Halloween, or elegant for a wedding. What's more, it even features a removable balloon at the top for that extra decorative flair. This adds height and a festive touch that draws attention without being over the top. One thing to highlight is how versatile this stand is. It's not just limited to cake pops. You can use it for lollipops, candy canes, chocolate sticks, and even smaller baked treats with sticks. It's ideal for both casual and formal events. And because you get two stands, you can either place them together for a symmetrical look or spread them across your serving area to draw traffic in both directions. If you're into baking or dessert displays, this product could also make a thoughtful gift. It's not just functional, it's visually pleasing and shows attention to detail. So whether you're planning a cozy birthday party at home or managing a big dessert table for a wedding reception, the Treela 2 PC's Cake Pop Stand gives you that reliable, elegant, and hassle-free solution to present your treats beautifully. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on the best products that make your events and lifestyle better.